KBB Fair Market, 2,629 local trade-in, clean vehicle history, maintenance performed by John Sinclair Nissan, 6-speaker audio system, Bluetooth, deep-tinted glass, easy lift and lower tailgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel with cruise controls, OnStar W/4G LTE, SiriusXM Satellite Radio, wheels, 17x8 Bright Machined Aluminum.brBrodometer is 13,962 miles below market average reviews, powerful, fuel-efficient engines, many available configurations, well-built, comfortable interior, quiet highway ride. Source, Edmunds. If you don't already like the 2015 Silverado for the mere fact that it's a Chevy, this pickup makes a compelling case for itself with a sophisticated yet intuitive infotainment system, refined interior and an available V8 engine with class-leading power output. Source, KBB.com. The Silverado is the truck you know and trust. The modern body is chiseled and sleek at the same time. The dramatic stacked double grille in front is complemented with vertically stacked headlights on either side, outlined in chrome. The bumper is contoured as well. Also, its tough persona is further accentuated by the geometric lines of its new sculpted fenders and dual power dome hood. Silverado currently comes in 3 models: short box crew cab, standard box crew cab, and standard box double cab. Each has 6 trims with the 1WT as the base and the LTZ Z71 as the top of the line option. Knowing that it's what's under the hood that counts, the Silverado is stacked with impressive engines. The 1WT, 2WT, LT, and LTZ Z71 come standard with the 4.3 liters EcoTec3 V6, with 6-speed automatic transmission. The LTZ and LTZ Z71 come standard with the 5.3 liters EcoTec3 V8, which is also an option for the other trims. Don't forget the 6.2 EcoTec V8 with 420 horsepower. The Max Trailering Package, offered with both V8 engines, offers class-leading trailering capacity of up to 12,000 pounds. The ride is quiet and the interior more comfortable than ever. The center controls have been updated with an improved layout and are easy to reach. Chevy's MyLink system is an extremely intuitive and helpful system to use. It allows you to control your music, make calls, and navigate to a number of stored destinations all by using your voice. 2WT, LT, and LTZ Z71 trims get a 4.2-inch color screen to go with it, and the LTZ and LTZ Z71 get an 8-inch color touchscreen. In terms of safety, all models